So in today's video, we are going to be profiling another Jamaican medicinal plant by the name of rat's ears. Rat's ears has some good medicinal properties. So as usual, we're going to be looking at the medicinal properties of this plant and how it is used in traditional medicine. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the scientific name for rat's ears is Peperomia Pellucida. It is a part of the Piperaceae plant family, and the genus is called Peperomia. Here in Jamaica, we commonly refer to it as rat's ears, but people from other countries refer to it as shiny bush, pepper elder, man to man, rabbit ear, and rat ear, among other common names, and in different languages as well. Now, the place of origin is rather disputable because some people say Central and South America, some people say tropical America and Asia, and there are others who include tropical Africa. So, it's rather questionable. But one thing for sure is that it does grow in Jamaica and in other tropical and subtropical regions around the world. It's considered an annual herb, and for persons who are not very familiar with plants, this just means that it germinates, flowers, set seed, and die all within one growing season. It is a succulent herb, and it has edible leaves and stems. Though it's not traditional for Jamaicans to eat this herb, in other cultures they do, and they usually eat it either raw, use it as a pot herb, or cook it as greens. The plant tends to grow super fast and can grow up to about 0.4 meters tall. As you can see, the roots are shallow, and the stems are translucent. They're also soft, watery, and green and white in color. The leaves are glossy green. They are heart-shaped, alternatively arranged, and about 1.5 to 4 centimeters long and 1 to 3.3 centimeters wide. The flowers are small and greenish, and they are usually borne on these slender flower spikes that arise at the tip of the stems. They are usually followed by tiny, pinhead-sized round fruits that are near black when ripe, with a single seed inside. This plant has a mustard-like odor when it is crushed, and like many other Jamaican herbs, you can find it growing wildly and organically in shaded and damp areas, in our backyards, forests, along roadsides, and in other green spaces. And the plant reproduces mostly by seed, but it is also possible to propagate it by stem, leaf, and leaf bud cuttings. So, phytochemical screening of the plant has shown the presence of flavonoids, tannins, alkaloids, steroid, and triterpenoid. The plant also has antimicrobial and cytotoxic properties, anti-diabetic, antipyretic. This means that it can reduce fevers. It also has antifungal, analgesic, which is the same thing as pain relieving, anti-inflammatory, and it has also shown antibacterial activity against Staphylococcus aureus and other bacteria. Okay guys, I'm pausing just for a moment to ask you kindly to hit that like button and drop a comment. If you are familiar with this plant, you can let us know how you use this plant, and share this video as well so that other persons can benefit from this information. If you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more videos like this one in the future, then please subscribe to the channel right now and hit that notification bell and change it from red to gray. Thank you so much guys. Now let's get right back to the video. In Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean, they use the plant to treat colds and as a diuretic for kidney issues. In South America, they make fresh juice from the stem and the leaves, which is used to treat eye inflammation. In Nigeria, the leaves are applied as a poultice and used to treat breast cancer. In the Congo and the Philippines, they just warm the leaves and apply it to sores and boils. Also in the Congo, they make an infusion of the plant or a maceration. Then they mix it with salt and palm oil, and this is taken internally to treat coughs. In Suriname, a solution of the fresh juice of the stem and leaves is used to treat conjunctivitis. The leaves are also used to make a decoction to treat coughs, fevers, and the common cold. They also eat it fresh to treat headaches, sore throats, kidney problems, prostate problems, and to control high blood pressure. In the Philippines, a decoction or infusion of the plant is taken to treat renal issues, lower uric acid, to treat rheumatic pain, and also gout. It is also used topically as a rinse against complexion problems. People in northeastern Brazil use it to lower cholesterol, right? And for headaches, in some cultures, they heat a few of the leaves in hot water, then they crush them and apply them to their foreheads. In the Cameroon, they use it for fracture healing. And in Ayurveda, which is an Indian natural system of medicine, it is used to treat things like constipation, painful urination, kidney disease, urinary retention, urinary tract infections, extreme thinness, edema, and just general weakness. Avoid use during pregnancy and lactation because there is lack of any clinical data. Also, because of the mustard-like odor, it may cause asthma-like symptoms in people with known hypersensitivity reactions to this plant species. Medical disclaimer. The information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.